गोवा बोर्डान बुधवारा 10वेचो निकाल जाहीर केलो. निकाल लागलो आनी गोंयभरच्यान पालकांचे प्रुडंटाक फोन येवंक सुरू जाले. ते माहिती वयल्यान बरेपैकी मार्क घेतिल्ल्या 3 स्टार भुरग्यांची नांवां आयल्यात ती अशी: फोंडे आल्मेदाचे नित्या कामत 96.83%, ढवळे एसएस समितीचे तेजल शेट्टी 96.67% आनी पणजे पिपल्साचे स्नेहा गांवकर 96.5%.
SSCक म्हाका 96.83% मार्क्स मेळ्ळे. स्टडी म्हणजे कमीत कमी दोन वरां, पण एवरी डे अशें म्हणजे ज्या दिसा जें कितें शिकयता ते त्या दिसा कंप्लीट करताले अभ्यास करून. हय, ट्युशनाक वताले, मॅथ्स सायन्स इंग्लीश ट्युशन घेताले. सब्जेक्ट मातशे जॉग्रफीन चड अभ्यास करचो पडिल्लो. पेपर सेट म्हाका तरी चड डिफिकल्ट लागूना, म्हणजे मातशें एप्लिकेशन बेस्ड आशिल्लें पण अशें डिफिकल्ट लागूना. 94 पडटली अशें धरिल्लें. इलॉक्युशन आसतालें आनी बुक्स रीड करपाक खूब आवडटा. क्रेडीट मम्मा पप्पा, स्कूल टिचर्स आनी ट्युशन टिचर्स खूब हेल्प केलो म्हाका. फ्युचर डॉक्टर जावपाचो विचार आसा.
After studying for 3 hours, I had joined archery, so 1.5 hours, 2 hours तितून वताले for recreation, फ्रेश जावपा आर्चरी जॉइन केल्लें हांवें. पयलीं म्हणजे स्टार्टींग ऑफ द इयर 3 hours अशें हांवें स्टार्ट केल्लें. मागीर हांव वेंट ऑन इनक्रीजिंग आनी मागीर म्हणजे अशें को करिक्युलर एक्टिविटीज येताना मातशें तितलें कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करपाक जायनाशिल्लें म्हाका. Then I managed after prelims, during the prelims and after prelims I increased 6 to 8 hours study karpaguts, meaning it's necessary. I have chosen science, so mostly aeronautical I'll be going, I guess. I'm aspiring to become a scientist and work at ISRO.
I'm from Peoples. I got 96.5%. I used to study regularly just for somewhat 5 hours. I used to not do late night studies. I used to study till 10 o'clock. And I used to not get up earlier even. Normal school, after coming from school, I would study from 3 to 6 and then take a break of 2 hours and then study from 7:30 till 9:30. I want to do medical. I'll be continuing with the same school, People's. And then I'll go for medicals.
Slight, 91.57%. One interesting fact is the gap between the girls and the boys passing is not that big. It's just 8%. If you not 0.7%. Girls and boys passing this year. It's just 0.7%. That means boys 91.18% of the boys have passed, compared to 91.94% of the girls who have their performance. There is a factor which is linked to it. You will understand it. This year it is over 90. It's around 91.57%. You see the number of students who avail of the sports merit marks. 8,246. That means almost half the number of students who are answering Goa board, they avail of the sports merit marks. And the students.
बोर्डान आनी एक म्हत्वाचो निर्णय घेतला. अनुसावन सप्लिमेंटरी एग्जामीक 2 वयर विशय आन्सर करपाक मेळटले. हे पयलीं सप्लिमेंटरीक फक्त 2 विशयाचे लिमीट आशिल्ले. सप्लिमेंटरी 19 ते 27 जून मजगती जातली.
This year, the supplementary exam will be conducted. Next slide. From 19 June to 27 June, and this year the feature is the students can answer any number of subjects. Till last year it was limited to 2 subjects. So now they can answer any number of subjects, then they can clear and go to the 11th standard.
अनु एकूण 94 शाळांचो 100% रिजल्ट लागला. पणजे बांबोळेच्या हेडगेवार स्कुलान सेगीत 11व्या वर्सा 100% रिजल्ट लावपाचो अनु रेकॉर्ड केलो. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी तुकाराम मराठे.